So Tony Rumble is putting the Falcon back together, and by that I mean, did I just say Falcon?
Say Falcon. Subaru Falcon.
The Subaru. And we've learned that all second generation Foresters tend to have rust issues around the shock towers and rocker panels down below. But as we saw in a previous video, Bruce said you don't have to throw the whole car away just for rust. So this is a patch panel. Whoa, I didn't even know there was a hole that big up there. Wow. Wow. So the holes are where you tack weld through them? The holes that you put in the...
Right. I punch those through and then you do plug welds on them.
Huh.
That's what you can, if you can see up here.
Yeah.
That's what they have.
Oh.
Same idea. So you grind all that out, make that patch.
Man, I love Subarus now, but I wish they found a better way to stop this
Really,
corrosion over 10 years.
Really what it is the seam sealer they use is porous.
Really?
And then the water sits in there. That's why you always get it right where the seam sealer sits.
Porous seam sealer.
It's bad design. VW had the problem too.